Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve in detail class 4 mathematics periodic test 2 2024-25 DAV Public School Odisha zone question paper, full mark 20 mark. So let us start the session. After see the solution, then comment your score in comment box. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group, link in the description box. So general instruction, all the questions are compulsory, okay, and this question paper contains 4 sections, that is A, B, C, D. Section A, that is consist of 2 multiple choice questions and 7 fill in the blanks questions and 1 mark. Section B consists of 2, that is short types questions, 2 mark questions. Section C, that is 3 mark, that is value based questions. Section D, the long questions, okay. Verify all the answer thoroughly before the submission. So let's start. Section A, first question, 1 kiloliter equal to dash liter. Okay, we know that 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so answer is 1000. So next, the equivalent fraction of 32 divided by 56 with numerator 8. Okay, 32 divided by 56 equal to numerator 8 means first write down numerator as 8 divided by box. So tell me 32 becomes 8 how? Now division, how? That is 4. Then when we divide 4 with 32, then we get 8, yes or no? Similarly, we divide 4 with denominator, so answer is 14. So 14 4 ja 56. That is answer is 8 by 14. Option number B is the correct answer. Okay, there are the two types solved. So one is multiplication, another is division. Okay, if the big number becomes small number, then this is the case of division. If the small number becomes big number, this is the case of multiplication. Understand? Next, question number 3. 12056 gram equal to dash kg dash gram, that is 12 kg then 056 gram, or you can write 12 kg 56 gram. So how to write? Now suppose the question is given 1 2, suppose 2 2 5. Simply remove 3 digit, okay, from the right side, then write the kg place, that is 12 kg. Now the write the remaining, that is 225 gram. Understand? Now next, 5 kg 200 gram plus 3 kg 800 gram. So simply addition 5 200 and 3 800. So 0 0 8 2 10 0 carry 1 5 3 8 1 9, that is 9 kg. So answer is 9 kg, or you can write 9000 gram. Okay. Now next question, 330 milliliter plus dash milliliter equal to 1 liter. Okay, we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, yes or no? Okay, so 330 plus dash equal to 1000. Now simply subtraction, that is 330. So 07936. So answer is 670 milliliter. Clear? Next question, the number of seventh that makes a whole, that is 7. Also remember, halves means how many halves makes whole, that is 2. How many quarter, that is 4. How many sixth make a whole, that is 6. Okay, in this way. Now next, question number 7. 3 whole 5 by 8 equal to dash, convert into improper fraction. Okay, converter, then the two types, one is mixed to improper or improper to mix. So the question is mixed to improper. How to solve? Now first we multiply whole number with denominator, that is 3 8 ja 18, 24. 24 plus 5, that is 29, divided by denominator, that is 8. So answer is 29 by 8. Now next, 1 by 9 of means into 27. Now cancel 9 3 ja, so answer is 3. Okay, now A proper fraction is dash, always less than. If the question is improper fraction, then always greater than 1. Clear? Next. Section B, that is 2 mark, 2 question, answer all the questions, arrange in column and add. Okay, first write down, here is kg, here is gram. Now 5, here is 6. 6 means we can write 006, yes or no, because gram is written in 3 digit. Okay, now next one is 30, 250 gram. Now next one is 200 and 95. 95 means 095. Okay, now addition, that is 5, 6, 11, carry 1. 5, 6, 9, 15, carry 1. 2, 1, 3. Then 5, 5, 3, 2. That is 235 kg, 350 gram. Okay, next question. Question number 11. Check the following pair fractions are equivalent or not by the cross product. Okay, first write down 7 by 11 and 14 divided by 77. Now we can write cross product of 7 into 77. First we write left to right, that is 7 into 77, that is 7 7 ja 49, carry 4, 7 7 ja 49, 4, 53. Next we multiply 11 with 14, so 11 into 14, so simply multiply, that is 140 plus 14, that is 4, 5, 1, so 154. So they are same? No, they are not same. Okay, so we can say that they are not same. They are not same. Then we can write 7 by 11. So we can write 7 by 11 is not equivalent or equal to 14 by 77, or you can write, so they 7 by 11 and 14 by 77 are not equivalent fraction. Clear? Next question. Section C, 3 mark, that is value based question. Sri purchased 5 kg 50 gram of sweet from a shopkeeper on the occasion of Diwali. She distributed 2 kg 90 gram of sweets among the poor kids. Find the quantity of the sweet left with her. Okay, so write down question number 1. Total weight of total quantity of milk, total quantity of sweet equal to 5 kg 50 gram. Now quantity of sweets distribute, quantity of sweets she distributes distributed equal to 2 kg 90 gram. Now write down quantity of sweet left with her, quantity of sweets left with her equal to, simply subtraction, that is 5, 50 means 0, then here is 2090. Now subtraction, here is kg, here is gram, 0 0 5 9 15, 59 6, here is 9, 9 minus 0 9. Now 4 4 2 2, that is 2 kg 960 gram. Okay, now 2i, write a value reflected by Sri, that is helpfulness, then kindness, loving in nature, okay, etc. Now next question, section D and the last. Answer the following questions. Mohan had 20 liter of milk. So write down quantity of milk, total quantity of milk equal to 20 liter. Now write down quantity of milk used for ghee equal to how much? 11 liter 550 milliliter, yes or no? Now we can write quantity of milk used for curd means dahi, curd equal to 4 liter 978 milliliter. Now write down total quantity used, how much? Simply addition, that is here is ml 808 7512 carry 1 6915 5 carry 1, here is liter 4151, that is 15 liter 528 milliliter. So write down now quantity of milk left with him. How? Now subtraction, that is 20 liter 20 L 00 milliliter subtract 15 liter 528 milliliter. Now minus 082, here is 927, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 5 that is 4, here is 1 minus 0 0, that is 4 liter 472 milliliter. Clear? Now therefore quantity of milk left with her is 4 liter 472 milliliter. Complete? So comment your score in comment box. और यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिबो. ओके, थैंक यू.